Hi, thanks for joining us. I'm your host, Marissa Monroy. The wait is over for parents with young children in need of COVID vaccines. Those vaccines are now available for children 6 months to 5 years of age. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention approved both Pfizer and Moderna vaccines. You can bring your kids to Austin Public Health Clinics for free vaccines. Vaccines are available at Shots for Tots clinics and at Old Sims Elementary. Appointments are required for the Shots for Tots clinics, but not for the walk-in clinic at Old Sims. Visit austintexas.gov/COVID for dates and times. Vaccines are also available through your pediatrician's office and at local pharmacies. You may notice streets around your neighborhood getting an upgrade this summer. Austin Public Works is continuing its seasonal street maintenance in neighborhoods around the city. This effort improves hundreds of lane miles in neighborhood streets in every council district around town. A street seal coat is the most common maintenance treatment that you will see during this time of year. This gives the street a smoother surface, eliminating the hairline cracks that lead to potholes. For more information, maintenance schedule, and what to expect, visit austintexas.gov/street maintenance. During the month of July, Austin Resource Recovery partners with other organizations to help keep reusable items out of landfills and placed into the hands of those who need them. Out ATX will have donation stations in the UT West Campus area to help students and residents easily donate reusable items. Take part July 28th through July 31st from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. Volunteers are needed and will receive perks for participating. Find out where and what you can donate and how you can get involved at moveoutatx.org. Want to visit Zilker Park this weekend without the hassle of parking? Austin Parks and Recreation now offers a weekends-only free shuttle service every 20 minutes to Zilker from the One Texas Center parking garage at 505 Barton Springs Road. All you have to do is park in the One Texas Center parking garage and then get your parking ticket validated on the shuttle bus in order to not be charged that $10 parking fee. There will be a total of 2 shuttles operational from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. every Saturday and Sunday. The shuttles will be available now through Labor Day. This is part of a pilot program to explore alternative transportation and parking options for the park. That's it for this week's City View. Thank you for watching, Austin. Be sure to catch up on all of the latest information on atxn.tv, our social media channels, and on our city webpage, austintexas.gov. Stay well, Austin.